You make me.
Hey, this is Jason from JSM Computer Solutions. What we're going to do today is I'm going to show you how to reset your password. Basically, you have a machine, you don't know the password, you know the username because it says it right there, but you don't know what the password is. And this will work for your local password. So whatever is locally stored on your machine, whether it be your name or administrator, that type of thing. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you the tools that I use to do the password crack. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to go to download Hirens. So if we go to hirensbootcd.org, once you get there you'll see this page, and if you scroll down about halfway down you'll see this little spot right here, and it'll say Hirens boot CD 15.2. What you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and download that file, and once it's downloaded you're going to unzip it and then unzip all the contents out of it. Once you get that done, what we're going to do then is go over to image burn, and we're going to download from one of these mirrors here and download the actual image burner so we can burn it to a CD. So go ahead and do that, and we'll restart the video here in a second. Okay, so now that that's done and you've got the image burn installed, as you can see here, image burn, and you've downloaded your Hirens. Basically I'm just going to show you how to use the image burn real quick, not going to go into too much detail, but basically once you open it up, you're basically going to write the image to file, browse to your .iso file, and that's it. Hit this little button down here and it'll create the image for you. So what I've done is I've already have it inside the DVD-ROM. So you have your Hirens here, and what we're going to do is we're going to restart the computer. Settings, restart. Alright, so it booted right into the CD. So what we're going to do, I'm going to take you the long way to get there. The short way is right here, but in case it's not there, I'll bring you the long way. Go to DOS Programs, Password and Registry Tools, and then you have your offline password changer. So click on that. It's going to bring up a bunch of stuff here. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to select the drive that your password will be saved on. Usually it's the largest drive, so if you look at the top it says right over here it says Windows partitions. So you have your boot, which is really small, and then you have your larger one. So you're going to select number 2 there and hit enter. And then it's going to ask you if that's where your directory is. Most of the time it is, so just hit enter. Alright, if it gives you that more, hit the space bar. It'll let you go all the way down to the bottom. And then basically what you want to do is a password reset. So you'll choose number 1 in that group right there. So choose number 1. And then you're going to do 1 again because you're going to edit data and passwords. And then you're going to choose which one you want to basically reset. And I normally just blank them out. So we can just do administrator and blank it out, or we can do, I'm logged in as X, so we'll just do X. So we hit X there, hit enter. And then you'll do number 1. See, number 1's right here. It says clear user password. So we'll do that, and then you can just reset it to whatever you want to later. So now what we're going to do is basically we're going to quit, and when it gets done it's going to ask us. So we're going to do an exclamation mark there, hit enter, and then we're going to do a Q for quit, say Y for yes, and we're not going to do another run. We're done. And then basically from there we're at our stopping point. Now this sometimes it takes a couple of times to actually redo it, so what we're going to do now is go ahead and reset. So hold on one second, I'm going to go ahead and reboot. There it goes. Alright, lets me right in without a password. So basically, make sure you download the Hirens, get the image burn the image to a DVD or CD, and then reboot it, go into the actual password, and go through those steps like I showed you. And like I said, sometimes it doesn't work on the first try. Some of the accounts get a little crazy and they don't want to unlock. So you might have to run through a couple times. If one account doesn't work, try another account. Administrator works almost every single time, so if you see an administrator one, I would try that. Obviously if it's your machine. Other than that should be it. If you have any questions, feel free to send us an email at support@jsmcomputersolutions.com. Thank you.